Hey foodie fam, how you all doing? Today I'm excited to share with you a simple yet delicious sandwich recipe. To all my amazing subscribers, I love you guys so much. Yo, we're almost at 400. Anyway, today's video is about a simple yet delicious sandwich recipe that is perfect for a lunch, perfect for a picnic, or just a light snack. So we're using cucumbers and tomatoes. I didn't take the peel off the cucumbers because I want it crunchy. The basic ingredients for this sandwich are tomatoes, cucumber, and margarine if you're vegan. But if you're not, feel free to use butter instead. If you're a spice person, you can always add the quantity of spice that you would like to this recipe. But yeah, this is basically all you need for this sandwich and you're ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching all my videos, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course share to your loved ones because you want them to eat something nice. And please don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Luscious Diaries whenever you recreate, and I'll be sure to repost all of your pictures. Also, you can leave a comment on what recipe you want to see next. See you in the next video. Bye guys.